Topic 1. Airbus faces challenges with A320 aircraft software updates and quality issues impacting aviation safety and technology. Airbus is struggling with software defects and quality issues related to its A320 aircraft, which are affecting aviation safety and technology. A critical software flaw was discovered that could compromise flight control data, potentially leading to sudden altitude drops in some aircraft. Although Airbus has completed software updates for most of the 6,000 A320s worldwide, fewer than 100 still require fixes. Additionally, quality issues with metal panels have caused delays in the delivery of some aircraft, negatively impacting Airbus's stock and airline operations. The company is working to meet its delivery targets by the end of the year while hoping to resolve these issues. Topic 2. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer supports Treasury chief amidst allegations of misleading the public, reflecting political dynamics and accountability issues. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer defended Treasury Chief Rachel Reeves against opposition claims that she misled the public about the state of public finances before the budget announcement. Starmer explained that Reeves's tax-increasing budget aims to reduce government borrowing, invest in infrastructure and public services, alleviate the cost of living, and promote economic growth. Despite opposition demands for an investigation into Reeves's statements, she denied misleading anyone and clarified that the revenue forecast was expected to be £16 billion short. Starmer emphasized the inherited crisis in public finances and services from the Conservative government, advocating for tax increases, minimum wage hikes, and public service funding, while also pushing for welfare cost reductions and improved relations with the EU. Topic 3. Cryptocurrency market experiences significant volatility, with Bitcoin and Ethereum sell-offs, indicating broader market fluctuations. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing significant volatility, highlighted by sharp declines in Bitcoin and Ethereum prices. Bitcoin fell approximately 8% to $84,305.26, while Ethereum dropped around 10% to $2,732.22. Other cryptocurrencies like Solana and Dogecoin also saw declines of 10% and 8%, respectively. This downturn is linked to warnings from the People's Bank of China regarding illegal activities related to digital currencies, affecting digital asset stocks in Asian markets. The drop in Bitcoin is associated with $400 million in exchange liquidations, with expectations of further liquidations due to high leverage. Overall, the cryptocurrency market is reflecting broader fluctuations, exacerbated by a retail investor-driven structure and uncertainties regarding U.S. interest rate cuts. Topic 4. China's military firms face challenges due to a corruption purge, indicating a crackdown on unethical practices within the industry. Chinese military firms are facing challenges due to a corruption purge that has delayed weapon contracts and procurement, resulting in a 10% drop in revenues for major military companies last year. This contrasts with rising revenues for military firms globally amid conflicts in Ukraine and Gaza. President Xi Jinping's anti-corruption campaign, initiated in 2012, has reached the upper echelons of the military, leading to the expulsion of 8 senior generals for corruption. While this crackdown adds uncertainty to China's military modernization efforts and has led to revenue declines for key firms like AVIC, Norinco, and CASC, continued investment in defense budgets and modernization is expected in the long term. Topic 5. Federal Reserve's potential rate cuts and dissent pose market risks, affecting global financial strategies. The Federal Reserve is facing internal divisions over potential interest rate cuts, which could weaken policy messaging and raise doubts about its political influence. Recent inflation and a slowing job market have created a conflict between the Fed's goals of achieving 2% inflation and maximum employment. The